Today we are going to discuss about the Vedic mathematics. So Vedic mathematics means is a one more name is also there, that is a math shortcuts. So what is mean by math shortcuts? It's an easy way to learn maths. For example, today introduction topic I am going to give in this lesson. So listen children, for example, if you want to learn any kind of topic, any mathematics topic especially, so if you want to learn the mathematics topic, definitely you can use the addition, subtraction and multiplication, yes or no? For example, is a math shortcuts topic. Math shortcuts. So in this, now I want to discuss about the addition. So addition is very important because everyone is using the addition, but is a within fraction of seconds it is difficult to do it. Is it right or not? So it is difficult to do within fraction of seconds in a big numbers especially. So for example, I want to say one more thing, subtraction. So subtraction is also addition and subtraction. So these are the two are also is very important in our daily life also. If you do any calculations, definitely we need to use this kind of the addition, subtraction. And next one is a multiplication. You know multiplication. Okay. So multiplication. So multiplication is also very important. The big calculations also very easy to do this one. Now I will say the division also, division. So division is also important. These are all our four topics are very important in our mathematics. So okay, right. So it is very important now. Now just today I want to say some examples to you for easy calculation, for getting in more interest on our math shortcuts. So daily we are ready to give a lessons to you all children. Just see here. Now for example, most of the people they don't know about calculation of the 99 is multiplied with otherwise 98. For example, 98 is multiplied with 97 for example. Okay, just see here. So 98 is multiplication with 97. Now I'll show this one how to do this one. See, simple, 98 is there now. Is a multiplication with a, so it is a less than 100. Is it right or not? 98 is a less than 100. How much less than it will be? So it will be less than 2, right? So 2 is less than 100, 98. So how much it will less than? It is will be 97. So 3 is less than. So that's why now I want to do the simple calculation. See, 98 now you can cross, you can do minus amount. You can do minus. So simple, 98 minus 3 means how much? 95. Everyone knows this. Then what is it? 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. 0 6 you can write. This is the answer. Very simple, very easy, very easy. Simple calculations are very easy. So most of the people they don't know how to do calculations, very simple method. So in our math shortcuts topics, I'll explain each and everything. So that is very easy way. It's just shortcuts means very easy way to learn the maths values. Okay. Now multiplication and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything we'll discuss in a easy way. Okay. Now I'll go for the starting of the topics. Now I'll start with a addition. Everyone knows this addition very easy. All people they know very well. Addition is very simple one, but most of the people they don't know. While calculating very simple calculations also with a calculator they will do. Nowadays all people they are using calculator or cell phone to calculate more values. Okay, for that I'll say one example to you. So this is a 10-point circle. I want to draw a 10-point circle on this paper. Once you see, this is a one circle. Okay, so all children you also follow this one. So everyone, it will start with a, what is that, 0, right? You know wall clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, not here, it is a little bit here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, as usual 0. Okay, this is the one trick we are learning first, is a basic addition. You see here, this one, if I am going to do, listen carefully, 9 plus 1, how much? 10, that's all. Okay, 8 plus 2, how much? 10. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 8 plus 2 is also 10. And 7 plus 3, how much? It is also 10. 6 plus 4, how much? It is also 10. And 5 plus 5, it's the same, is also 10. What is the trick? Simple. Now I'll show. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. And so 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So if any number is there to get the 10 other than these numbers? No. So no number is there to get this kind of the easy way to identify. Okay, now this is a simple method to get the 10, because 10 is a very easy to identify and to get the value. Okay, so now let us do some problems, and I will give some homeworks also for you. You can now let's start that kind of values. Okay, now let us start the topic. Is that these are the tricks, is the addition trick, what we call addition trick. Okay, so this is the addition trick. So in this addition trick I may start more information. This 1 minute. Okay, right. So first of all, I'll give one question to you all. 73 plus 37, how much it will be? Can you guess, anyone? Easy way. 73 plus 37, how much it will get? Simple. You know the positions of the numbers first. Now we'll start that. So here there is a last digits. Once you see that last digits of each number, last digits is a 3 and 7. How much it will be? 7 plus 3. 3 plus 7, how much? 10. So keep in your mind that value is a 10. That's it. Keep in your mind that value is a 10. And then after that, you can see one more digit is also there. This is a ones position. You know the positions of the numbers? Yes, this is the ones position, this is a tens positions, right? Is it right? Tens positions. So 7 plus 3, how much? Is a 10. But the position of this one is a 10th position. Is it right or not? The position of these numbers are 10th position. That's why 10th position means we will keep 10 means 1 0. That's why you will keep that is a 1 0. Okay, that's why. So 100 plus 1, 110. That is answer. Easy, very simple way to calculate it. So definitely it is a very simple amount. Okay, I will give one more number to do this one, and see here. Right now 64 plus 46. So how much it will answer? Simple, very easy. 4 plus 6, how much? is a 10. That's it. Ones position means we won't keep any zeros. And 6 plus 4, how much? Is a 10, but is a 100 position, sorry, tens position, that is a 100 now. So that's why 100 plus 1, this is also 110. If you take any number like this kind of the positions, for example, I may try to write this kind of the one more trick. Now see here, I am writing one question. For example, right, so 62 plus 30, what is that? 38, for example. Okay, simple, very easy. The end numbers, if first you add, you check this one. So end numbers are having in this equation or not. Once you see 9 plus 1, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 5 plus 5, 10. So if it is using the same kind of formula, in this anything it will be present. Once you see in this is a 6, 2 plus 38. So 8 and what is that? 2. Both are in this values only. Once you check that. So 8 value is there, 2 value is there. If we add these two, you will get the 10. Right? So that's why what we call that 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8, 10. That's it. But now what about the next one? 6 plus 3, how much? 9. So tens position means we'll keep a 0. 90 plus 10, 100. Very easy way. Is it right? Very easy way to do this one. Calculations are very simple. Right, children? Now let us do one more value also, one more number. 32 plus, for example, 74. Okay, I may use this number. So is it possible to do calculation within fraction of seconds? Yes, definitely we will do this one. So without pen paper also we can do. But once I am showing that there is a 2 plus 4, the end numbers you can add. How much? 4 plus 2 is a 6. That's all. And next you will go for the 7 plus 3. How much, Amma? So 7 plus 3 is a 10, because already it will be there in a 7 plus 3 is a 10. So that's why. So 10 already 10, but one thing you are missing. So 7 plus 3 is a 10. 10 means, so it is a tens position. Tens position means we'll keep a 0. Is it right? Okay. So 100 plus 6, how much? 106 is the answer. So children, once you listen, addition looks like a very simple, but while doing that addition, sometimes we may confuse. You may get some kind of the problems also. That's why I'm going to give you one problems also. Try to do this kind of the problems. Now I'm giving some problems to you. Try to do this one. So 98 plus 22. Okay. So now on second one I'm giving to you. Try to do these problems. So 29 plus 48. And third one, so it is not related to this one. So 22, you can keep this at 22. It is somewhat better because it is related to our topic. Now, so 77 plus 33. Okay, so fourth one is a, so 24 plus 66. Within fraction of seconds you will do. So very simple. It is very easy. Very easy to do this one. Calculations very easy. And 74 plus, so 66. So these 5 problems are depending on this kind of the addition trick. Once you see, this is the addition trick again. This is a 10-point circle. Now the point circle is a 10-point circle. So 9 plus 1 is a 10, 8 plus 2 is a 10, and 7 plus 3 is also 10, and 6 plus 4 is also 10, and lastly you can keep that there's a 5 plus 5 is also 10. Other than these numbers, no number should get the 10. Either 5 plus 1 is not getting 10 and 6 plus 1 is also not getting 10. So everything, that is a 9 plus 1 is a 10, or a 8 plus 2 is a 10, or 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Whatever, 3 plus 7 is also 10, 6 plus 4 is also 10, 5 plus 5 is also 10. So if you do any kind of changes, but number should be like this. Okay. So these are the calculations about the 2-digit numbers to calculate easily. You can calculate easily with a 2-digit numbers. Okay, children. So these are the numbers. In our next video, we are ready to discuss about the big numbers. Big numbers means 3-digit numbers addition I will discuss. Okay. So you all people, you can watch and learn perfectly, right?